Once you have the extension installed, it will show up in your extensions page. All you need to do next is you'll notice that it opens this website. You can go through the website and read more about the extension if you want, including the FAQ, the privacy policy, and my details if you wish to contact me. Next, go to your extensions button and pin this extension so that you have easy access to it. There are two use cases. You can use it with capacities or without capacities. Ideally, you should try to use it with capacities. The method to do that is open your capacities account, the web app or the desktop app, go to settings and click on your capacities API right here. Create a new token by entering a token name. So this could be any name that you want. It does not matter. And click on generate token. You'll see a new token is being generated. Click on copy and then you can safely close the settings of the capacities. Open your browser yet again. Go to the extension icon and click on it. You'll notice the option to enter your capacities API key. Paste the key that you copied from capacities and click save. You'll notice that the space in your capacities is auto-selected. If you're confused and have multiple ones, then you can just go to capacities and look at the name of your space on the top left. That is the space that you want to choose with. And that is all. Now, you can go to any YouTube video that you want, click this one, and you'll notice that a new option shows up right here called secondary info YouTube and with an icon right here. Once you click on that icon, you will notice that it opens a new page and fills in the prompt automatically so that you get the summary back. You'll notice that ChatGPT creates the summary. The reason there is no API key integration and instead it loads this page is so that it is accessible to everyone regardless of whether they have the free or the paid version. Once your summary is ready, you can click on Save to Capacities. When you do that, it shows that it is saving to capacities indeed. And once done, it will also display that it has saved to capacities. As you can see, it is now saved. To view it, you can go to capacities and I'll just refresh the page. And you'll notice that the video does show up right here. You can open it and you'll see that you have an embed of the video. You have the URL and you have the title, the brief, and the entire summary saved right here for you forever. And this will allow you to create your second brain system very easily without having to manually take notes, as well as save time to get a brief summary of any YouTube video neatly made before you decide to invest your time in it. The second way that you can use it is instead of saving to capacities, you can just download the markdown file. And you click on download and you save. It downloads the file for you. You can click on open and you'll see the same thing being saved out here. I'll show you how it would look in any markdown viewer. It looks like this. You'll have the title, the URL, and you'll also have the entire transcript saved if you require that. And the same prompt out here, the same bullet points, everything stored here. So in case you want to have a local backup of it, you can do that as well. Ideally, it is very easy now to save it using capacities and to have your second brain system up and running in no time. If you have any queries or would like to suggest anything else, please feel free to reach me out on any of the methods told in this website right here. Thank you and have a great day.